Ngayeng mentahnya Ahmad Jongka, Office of Director of School Education and Literacy, habaka don ka press meet, lana ka press conference, ki happening di media bat director jongka DSEL, bat kumju ka udon udin na kawai na ki sekolah hang teh Hyderabad kawai ka sekolah ka ba la manong kaba paunam bat kaba don nam ba kata adeka Aga Khan Academy kanika Aga Khan Academy kala wan yo kesat hang ne me kala house nam arja arpu ar ha kaba ke wan banjet ya kita ki kena lane kata talent identification program ka bagi don banjet ki kena nang ne na jala jongi ban yalam chethe ban pelat ru ya kas by school ka by lut by step baro la ban ong ka kenja scholarship ka baki lat ki bam dan kam ban siu na du ka class 6 haduk class 12 te kane mentasni kadeka kajungnya kendo lang kajongki but kadai ru ka second phase ka bakin jet ki kena te ki don ki kena hapo ki bala sa jet sangut biang hau news nam te kamut baro nang ne na meklai kala long prangut ki bala sa jet hakate ka school tengin saya kendo sibet ba ki kena pole but hak ju apor ba udin ban tip company ya kane ka academy but kumno ki student ki bayo iro ya kane ki la ban enroll ya le ban yo hakane ka academy ngadon hang ne but iwe ne ki kena ba la dep bandit pole sa Aga Khan Academy ante Hyderabad te ini di senior la banong na ki sangut ki kena ki bala sa jet house na maja akuar deh di kalong kumno ka education chete kumba fi filale mata kanus na
ngalalet arsnem kalong kabyang hi bon kinaret pada we nada we jaka ki kimde Christian borok kide Hindu kide dawe religion mo salang don like ngia crunch funky religion funky jaka sa kilong kumno ki language ro ki apherwa
pi mucha pi pule hai
Saint Peter Nongstein
ka jinge per kumno mata ba poi ki classroom chete ka or kum hikai kalong mo
Shanongstein ngishu shong baja ka we ka class but ki no hikai ki shu one ban hikai tang baha Hyderabad ni lecture ki we ki building don art block science lab don design lab
English ka we class habe ang security building kalau compare ka na ka khamsut
ka kham IB curriculum
sakat nasnam menta fi hab police
sa sausnem hadu class 12
menta fi class
8
fi join adu class 6 7 8 fi kimi fi I kumno ya kane ka school fil alej te
ni perle chete tang ba ha ka jeng I jeng ki kami ba ngi das ngo kuman ngi das ngo hun shisha ba ki yo ban select ni yo ban ni chete school
ga dan kana kana jinglut
na ka lian jeng pa tang khindia rong dan ga e jeng la tip hi gi maki tang ka bai pocket money ro ki la ai hi maki ka ticket flight na ta ka bai na du ko ti du shilong ro ki la tip hi maki ngem dan ka ta jeng la free be na da shidong
khamsuk ken ma ka apule shaba pini arung ante ya aga academy ki proses ke bapiap ne
ki don kumba kandais bangut ki narit school baro guys Meghalaya but don south ligitas but na kawe ka test kin jet khat arngut tan kin sa thok ka maths test ta kin sa jet tang rungut tang kin sa English kem eliminate narit tang bakin kin jet bat interview yaki bat kin nan bisa urgent la ong ba kin give situation but ngin solve ngin IQ solutions tang takates tang ladap hang tak kin sa phone maki ong ba sajet na
so ka ya nan kasuk atas
ka kam than tang ba ngishu nervous mo
ladai kam
dan de simple logic
Tangadon bai kena pulih na iba banlet menta uslam hakane ka phase 2 jongane ka program banlet hakate ka sekolah hante Hyderabad fikir tengum no
Prang dami gripariat
police sekolah
Shillong Public School
long kumno menta ba sajet stay excited na
kabyang
hakan okur kom bisa jet ya thok lam
kaba yale ki kom ki assignment ki exam UA
ki ki exam
Kumba tho kin kili yak shapang ki interviews kin kili ki ai ki exam haple kita
hak kumno pitep ba sajet ma pi ki wan batai ki no hikai ha school ne
Shajit ban ki teacher ha school jungi ki shuang bangala Shajit ban le
kanongot na school pi tang pi moroi
em shpongot na school ngi
yo ma pi pa
yo manga bot u weu perlok nga
okay ha pi dang song kelas yo
class 6
kelas 6 te mo pin sajet manta pin song hado kelas 2
hot
kapher kumno along pin pale ste pin pal so Andre ha katu ka exams makna ha to po ba pile sho ba finyo jet kapher kumno experience
kalong kabyang tang ba ki jingle ki kham ki to ki exam jingkili
kamu kam start ke next time phone ni sajet ma ta all the best ma dalit ste split kat ba ma
hot
is ngo kumno mang ya sajet ikon joki
Mình có nghe thì anh ngồi yêu lấy bà ulap play cái này cái lát nghe hay yên mà xin tiếp bà hoạt đi lệ cái này exams thì nghe suy phá về công thức kinh nghiệm tiếp cái đi cái exactly cái ông cái suy phá message bà hoạt đi lệ exams ha for common boys sao suy phá message in school bà cái ta ta ngồi cái học lệ thì nghe suy phá đi on về công thức mà ngar dan ngali school dia lagi ngai kai school so hadian de gladep ko ke stage ki ong ila pas kani habis ko ke stage kumta tikidon ki parlok jong ipede ki bala nang out long kim sha ji chu kim la ngi ong tip kumta ki ngi ong shli le lak le kon kat ba la mo ti hadian pede ki ong sa stang manga sai ini kon jonga iwe ti irang kenjai be yo le lang menta dan arngut lai sa arngut mo ki do ki we ru ki be yo le lang dia ke bayo bani le final hadin pede ki ong sa select stang Henry ngut out of those 6 dia ti ki sa ong bai ki ni ken ti ka long ka jing kemen
plus London ha
ho ki ngi dang ning kong ting dang long atatin ngem so thu ba mo ka di ke ai hadin pede ki sa batai de kila ong bafi everything long paro na dong shidong ka jinglut jing sap na du ka let ko wan ki bai jan bai nep bai e jong school barok khat ki badan kam jong school dan jing la ho am dan kam siu e ru ken
PVD artat communno hikai dai te communno hikai fi kon la jong man ta sa jen ke ka vision ka jong phi na man ta ki kon sa hakan school kham tam
ka jing sha jet te kalong ka ik ba na ying ning kong ru ilang nyem la ban poi perkhat mo nyem tip hiru long man ka sngi ukrek kwat e kom ta re kata ka ba jing start ka bo blue ai ha eating nyem so thu mo andala yo e kan ne o khna ula ken ka mot ulong ka IQ jung u ka kham nem te ngishu kermen bet ba nang ni te kala long bet future kan mentale te la long kumbai la tip hidala di kila ai bat ka stipend bat ke ek pisamo man ka benai ki yo ho pocket money kan la long te lai hajar shi benai te kila ngem don kam sho hi ken kala long bet kila use bet hi ya la di te
jing ba bok bakra kai ka value ka ba pi
kadi
kwa
ki alam bre mo kijing kur de ka bok mo ha ngi benget je kam de ka bok kadi ka bo bleu la bu ka bana selen det ka bangim la ban mudur ban champang
last question ma ka value ka ba pi kwa ba kon jong pi kin don hadena bot na ka education ka ba ki yo man amaka ni kala de ka education ka ba kham bahal
ka value ka ba ngi expect a bright future nang ta ka ka jing im ka ba pha ka jing im goman ran ra ka jing yarap pade hadin habot nu layo ya kaniru un no brio ba ailem shikiwe uban yarap lem mikiwe ru ki badan kam ya ka ka jing yarap kom ba mentaru kalong ka jing play lat ka jong play uru un yarap ya kiwe ru bo ban bo play hi un ban yat ya ka jing im ka jong unang ni shakman.
I think one of the things that I'm extremely, at least, happy about is you have someone who really cares about the system. I know that Mr. Swapnil's been around for a while and understands the DNA of the state, but there is work to be done, and he's well aware of that. And as is CS sir, I mean, I can only tell you from the perspective of when I come for the assessments. There are certain regions in the state where the performance is very, very poor. Right? And when you look at those performances, you ask two primary questions as an educator. One, how often are the children coming to school? Right? How good is the teacher? Right? Those are two questions. Now, if I was to look at any good school in comparison, absenteeism is very low and teacher interest is very high. So these are small things that we notice when we travel. Like for instance, Nongstoin was a big surprise. The first year, essentially that region swept the assessment. When I was coming here, my understanding was you have good schools in Shillong. You also have access to the internet in a way that's probably stronger. But first year, they swept it. This year, Shillong was the stronger representation. Now, when we come back in October this year, I am very interested to see the kind of assessments we receive from, is it okay to mention? Tura and Nongpo. Because I think those are regions that I'll be invested in and to research and then to go back to him and say, here's my 3 years data of coming to the state and assessing 1,200 kids. Here's a picture of who's doing what and how. And maybe that might help him because these are the top performers who are being shortlisted. But yeah, there is a lot of work, and I genuinely hope that one of these students from here, who knows, one day comes back in a capacity to work in the Department of Education Meghalaya, having received a world-class education themselves, and make a difference. So fingers crossed.
And just to add to what he has said, the assessment was one of the most thorough assessment I personally have seen. I mean, there were 4 phases, right? So you can imagine, and thousands applied, and finally we have 4. So in fact, I was just joking, like UPSC also has 3 phases. So they had like 4 phases. So it was very tough. And I'm very proud of all these kids who have made it through.